It's a great day here on the trail, Monticello Trail students. We are so excited for our first ever virtual Pep Assembly. As your principal, one of the many positive characteristics I notice every day that makes our school great is the enthusiasm and excitement from our students. We saw so much evidence of this enthusiasm and excitement throughout first quarter, and it really is giving us the momentum we need as we kick off second quarter. Today, at our Pep Assembly, we are excited to display the many talents and abilities of our students and to recognize the numerous accomplishments of the many activities our students are involved in. At this time, I would like to introduce you to your host today. Let's hear it for Blake, Josie, and Elena!
Give me 1 second.
Welcome to the first virtual Pep Assembly this year.
Most of our teams here at MTMS were undefeated.
Speaking of undefeated, there were many undefeated runners this year.
Run on out here, XC.
We had 2 meets here at MT, did awesome. I have all these wonderful runners. Our 2 timed meets that we had at Lexington Trail and at Shawnee Mission Park, our 7th grade girls, 8th grade girls, and 8th grade boys all took first. 7th grade boys took second. Amazing running going on. If you were in the top 15 of any meet, stand up, stand forward. Great job, everybody. We had lots of people running and doing amazing this year.
Thanks, cross country.
Wow, that sounds like a great season from the cross country team. Congrats to everyone who participated.
Now here's Coach Ward with how the football team went this year.
Hi, I'm Coach Wirtz, the head football coach for both the 7th and 8th grade football teams this year. Both football teams went undefeated, beating Piper, Lansing, Baser, Linwood, and Mill Creek. The 7th grade outscored their opponents by an average of 31 points a game at 162 points to 36 points. The 8th grade outscored their opponents 138 to 56, winning by an average of 20 points a game. We are proud of the effort and improvement of both squads. We would like to thank the administration, parents, cheerleaders, and teachers for all their support throughout the season.
Please come up to the stage if you played 7th grade football.
7th grade football, come on down. Talked online, so do you guys have anything to add to that? You talked about the 7th grade season being undefeated.
We're the best.
We're just
Okay.
We're just too good for them to comprehend.
What, did you guys have a chant before any game? Why don't you huddle up? Do you want to huddle up and say your chant?
I don't want to kill them.
Okay, let's go.
pretty amazing. I just want to give a shout out to Coach Drip, Coach Bergeron, and an amazing season. Thank you.
You guys want to give us a huddle? One last huddle?
Wolves on three. 1, 2, 3.
Great season, football players. Now let's bump it over to the volleyball team.
Yeah, if you participated and had any taken part in playing 7th grade volleyball, please come on over.
What do you want to say about your season?
So this season we all got to play despite COVID. B team went undefeated and A team only lost 2 matches. We all got along and had a lot of fun playing together. We were sad we didn't get to have you guys cheering us on the bleachers, but we cheered each other on and finished the season great, and we all hope to play next year and had a great time.
Great job. Woo! You guys have one last huddle for us? Yeah. Okay.
MTMS! Wolves! Wolves on 3! 1, 2, 3, Wolves!
Nice job.
Way to set up the season, girls.
Good afternoon, Timberwolves. The 8th grade girls had another successful volleyball season this year. We got to play 7 matches. The B team finished 6-1, and the A team finished 7-0, undefeated. Great job, ladies. Go Wolves.
Yeah, great season, guys. 8th grade volleyball players, please come out and tell us how you did.
So both teams went undefeated.
Woo!
And we had no tournament this year because of Corona.
All right, how'd you end the season?
We won by playing really great.
Cool. All right. Do you guys have one last huddle for us?
Wolves on 3! 1, 2, 3, Wolves! Great season, girls. Oh, look, Alina, I think Cheer has a performance win.
You're right. Here comes Cheer with their amazing routine. Great, good job, Cheer. Now on to the winter seasons.
Yeah, great job, guys. I wonder how the girls' basketball season has been going.
Yeah, me too. Let's go check it out. If you joined girls 7th grade basketball, please come on up. over on Thursday. Had a lot of fun so far and with some great coaches.
Wolves on three!
1, 2, 3, Wolves!
Sounds like a great season so far.
Can't wait to see how they'll do in the rest of the season. I bet the 8th grade girls are doing good too. If you're an 8th grade girl and you're on the basketball team, please come on up and tell us how your season has gone.
Okay, so far, A team is 4-0, and we play Turner home on Tuesday. And we just want to say thank you to Ms. Stenberg for being a coach, and thank you to Mr. Scott for filling in. B team is also 4-0, and we also play Turner at home on Tuesday. And we want to thank Mrs. E for being a great coach.
Guys want to huddle it up for us?
Wolves on 3! 1, 2, 3, Wolves! Great job, basketball girls. Oh, by the way, have you guys seen any wrestling matches yet?
Matches can't wrestle if they're in a box.
No, she means wrestling match, not the ones that you like.
Oh right, I know I haven't. I wonder how they did so far.
Well, let's go find out. Here's Coach Warts telling us how they did.
The wrestling team is just starting our 2020 season. Last week, we opened the season with a home duel versus Mill Creek. This week, we will have our second home duel versus Lexington Trails on Thursday night at 4 p.m. We would like to thank the administration, parents, and teachers for all their support.
If you are participating in wrestling this year, please come down and tell us how you're doing.
How'd your first meet go?
Our first meeting went pretty well. We got a few wins. A few of us lost in the MC, but we'll get them next time. And our next meet is this Thursday against Lexington Trails at Mill Valley, and you should come watch. Pretty fun watching. But
Well, you handed it to me.
alright.
Mustangs?
1, 2, 3, go!
Great job to them in their first meet against Mill Creek. Make sure you come and watch the next meet against Lexington Trails at Mill Valley on the 12th.
Awesome job to all the sports teams so far. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you next time. Keep up the good work, MT.